Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with this, excuse the face of my wig head, it's been through a lot. So today I'm back with how I'm actually going to turn this hair color from a 1B to a magenta burgundy. So key things that you will be needing for this video is gloves, of course, to protect your hand from the chemical that you will be using to change the color. And the key star that I will be using is the L'Oreal High Magenta Highlight Color in Magenta, which is like a deep burgundy. I'll also be using a cream developer in 40, which is pretty high. So if you want like a vibrant burgundy color, then you use the highest, which would be 40. If you want like a subtle where it's out in the sun is when you will actually pick up on the burgundy color, you use either a 20 or 30, which today I'm using a 20 because I don't want the front part to be as bright. And then I will be using a bowl and a brush to apply the dye onto the hair. So let's get right into this, guys. I'm gonna be taking the high magenta color. My god, my tongue is very tight today, guys, and it's Sunday. So I'm gonna open this now, and wow, that is very red. Look at that, guys, that is very red. So I'll be squeezing this out into my bowl, squeezing that out. I don't want to use all of it because, like I said, I want to go in and use the 20% developer to color the top of the wig. So I think that should be good enough. It's pretty thick. Then I will be going in with the developer, which is in 40%, and I'll be just adding that. I should actually be measuring this, but I'm not because I'm kind of in a, not a rush, but oh, this is pretty strong. Ooh. Okay guys, if you guys are going to be using this, be sure to do this outside and not in your room, because I can smell already my room is going to be smelling very high chemical wise. So now you're just going to mix the color and the developer together and make sure that you have like a creamy consistency. So that's how it is, very creamy. I want it to be a bit thick. I want to show you guys, but okay. So I'm gonna be mixing this and mixing and mixing and mixing until it gets really thick, almost like you're making a soup broth, but a thicker broth instead of like a water broth. Okay, so now the consistency of the color is fairly thick. It's fairly thick. It was really hard to mix this out, guys, so this is very time efficient and time consuming as well. So I'm just doing the final mixture, then I'll be going in and actually separating the hair. So I'll be showing you how I do that. I just wanted to take my time, and I think I'll be starting at the bottom first and then just slowly work my way up. So this wig is actually a 360 wig, 360 lace frontal wig. But when I purchased this here from Premium Lace Wig, I actually got the sizing of the cap size wrong. So I do wear it. It's really pretty and stuff, but it doesn't fit my head correctly. It's still a bit small. So, and you guys might actually need one of those T-pins. So I'll be using a T-pin just to go in and secure this. If I can find it. I'm going in and I'm using a T-pin just to secure the front so the wig doesn't slip while I move it around. So I'm just combing that out. Then I'll be going in with my hair color, my hair dye, you see. So I'm moving my little thin hair closer, and let's get right into it. all done with the hair. Just let me zoom in a bit. I'm all finished with the hair, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna leave it on for at least 40 minutes to an hour, and then I'll be washing that out. Then I'll be doing a makeup tutorial, just everyday makeup tutorial I'll be back with. Then I will finish my thoughts on this L'Oreal High Magenta hair dye, and we'll see. So I'm just gonna put this in a plastic bag so that it processes a bit more faster. I just love to do that whenever I'm coloring my hair or my wigs, and I'm just gonna let that sit for a while in there. I'm really freaking excited, guys. So I will be back with the finished product, and yeah, so that's it. So I'll see you when this is all in burgundy. Okay, beautiful people, so this is the end results of this hair. The color is kind of like a deep plum color it came out, but so far it's okay. I'm vibing with it. You know, it's not much of a bright color, but once it's in the sun, from what I noticed, is that the color is actually more vibrant. But I don't know, I'm experimenting with colors, but guys, black is generally my type of hair color. I don't know about anyone else, but I love black. I think black suits me a whole lot better than hair that has color. So I think I might just keep one wig that's one color for those times when I want to step out of my comfort zone. But for right now, I'm sticking to black. I mean, this can really pass. I mean, this deep plum color, but the thing that I notice about this is that when the color starts to fade, it will actually turn into this washed out burgundy color that I don't like. And the L'Oreal High Magenta color, they don't sell it here where I live, so yeah, I'm gonna have no other choice but turning this hair back to black once it starts to wash out. Yeah. So anyhow, guys, I hope that you guys like that little mini tutorial of how I color this hair from black to burgundy. Even though it's not a vibrant burgundy, you know, it's one of those burgundies where if you're out in the sun, you can see it. Like, you can see with my ring light, like, that's how it looks. Yeah, guys. So anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you're enjoying these tutorial videos that I'm doing, just let me know in my comment section, because guys, these take a lot of work. It takes a lot of work, but I love you guys and I'm doing it. So anyhow, guys, I will see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Didn't I just say that already? Okay, yes I did. So anyhow, love you guys. See you in the next one.